Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Mohammed Shadab. I'm the Enterprise Sales Manager handling the Middle East and Africa business for Western Digital. Today at Intersec 2023, we are actually showcasing our platforms products that we have which we cater to the region, especially on the surveillance storage business. Today, if you see at our stand, we are showcasing our resource manager, which shows how our systems work very fluidly with our the partners like Milestone, DG Fort, and Pelco. We integrate our storage solutions with them to build a very robust, high-density storage video storage appliances. Today, if you see in this demo, we are currently partnered with our ecosystem partner QSAN, with whom we have built the SAN storage, where there is a recording which is happening from one of our UK labs, where all the recording is being stored onto the Western Digital platforms. So QSAN is one of our global partners, where we partner with them to build SAN storage solutions for surveillance industries. The same way we also have NGX, which is another partner with us who is on display today to store data on surveillance video files onto our Western Digital platforms.